everybody. Welcome to Make It Monday, where we embrace imperfection and try new things. My name is Leslie, and I'm the Reading Machine Coordinator for Monterey County Free Libraries. And today we are going to be making a super simple, super spooky craft using these materials. You will need a paper plate of any size. I only have small ones. You will need an orange marker because we are going to color this paper plate and make it into a pumpkin. You will need a small, you don't have to have a big piece, a small piece of brown construction paper, a piece of black construction paper. I'm using a scratch sheet. And you will need a pencil, some glue, scissors, and a bonus optional thing is a green pipe cleaner, which you can use to make a vine, but I don't have any green pipe cleaner, so I'm not going to use that. So anyways, grab those things and meet me back here and we will make a jack-o'-lantern. The first thing we're going to do for this project is we're going to color our paper plate orange. Once we have our paper plate colored orange, we're going to set that to the side, and we are now going to draw the eyes, nose, and mouth of the jack-o'-lantern using our pencil on our black sheet of paper. I'm going to cut these out now. Once you have your eyes, nose, and mouth, you can arrange them on your paper plate as you would like them. And then you can glue them on. The last step of this craft is to draw a little rectangle on your brown sheet of paper. There we go. And like I said, if you have a green pipe cleaner, you can now wrap it around your pencil, make it into a little spiral, and glue it next to your stem so that it would be a little vine, because that's how pumpkins grow, is on vines. Okay, my friends, here we have our super spooky jack-o'-lantern. Super fun and easy to make, and it makes your house look nice and festive and ready for Halloween, which is an awesome holiday. Remember, you can make this as simple or as complicated as you want it to be. It does not have to be triangle eyes, a triangle nose, and a mouth like this. It can be even more elaborate if you want to. It's just, I tend to stick with simple things because it's just easier for me. So anyway, friends, thank you so much for tuning in for this Make It Monday. I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I hope that you will keep making things, and that I hope you are staying safe and curious, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.